What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Justin here, and this is the continued restoration of my 2011 Lotus Evora S. It's going to be a quick video, and it's not really specific to my car. For anybody that's looking to upgrade the A-pillars on their Lotus Evora, this is a known flaw with these vehicles. Basically, it cracks if it's from sun exposure or just thinness in the material, whatever it is. It's a common failure point. A lot of people want to go to replace it, and so this is a carbon fiber unit that I got from GRP. And I'm going to be installing it as part of this video. Again, this is going to be a quick one, and so I'll try to keep it under 10 minutes. Stand by. All right, well, that is some good-looking fiber. Greg's Racing Product makes this. Again, this is an A-pillar replacement. This is on a S1 Evora. I do believe they are compatible all the way up to maybe like 2019. A-pillar goes right here, up this way. You open up the door, you can see basically, obviously I have the stock one already removed. The mounting points, there's one screw that goes through here. And there's two nuts on the inside. These are 7mm nuts that I put on there. I think stock was 7mm as well. And then you have one down here. So there's three nuts all together, and then you have one screw that goes into this. The only extra thing is going to be a strip of double-sided tape that goes along the windscreen. Same on both sides. I already did a test fit with these last night, and for whatever reason, it wasn't perfect, so I used my Dremel tool to notch this out a little bit. Not the prettiest, but that's okay, you're not going to see it. And I'm going to put a larger washer over these just to make sure it's secured and it doesn't crack the carbon. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to get this windshield cleaned up, get it prepped for the A-pillar install. All right, as far as adhesive prep for the surface, I use this stuff, Antisil 770 degreaser. It's a big can, lasts a long time. Double-sided tape. I could have used the 3M black stuff, but honestly, at some point I'm probably going to take this off, and I don't want to go through the pain of having to remove ultra-high strength double-sided tape. So we're keeping it simple. So that's all you're doing is just prepping the windshield, cleaning up the A-pillar and the windshield where the double-sided tape is going to be sticking to. I'm going to clean it on the carbon fiber trim as well. Obviously helps with adhesion. Rinse and repeat on the other side. All right, and then as far as the double-sided tape, the service notes basically tell you to leave it a little bit long at the bottom. So that's what I plan on doing. So basically you're going to apply it the whole length on the inside, and that's the side that's going to be touching the windshield. And then they say to leave it a little bit long at the bottom here. So I'm going to cut this a little bit long. Just like that. Easy. All right. I'll start with this first side over here on the driver's side. Driver's side if you're in the US. All right, so like I said, these are 7mm nuts. The factory ones were a little bit rusty. I think they're caps as well. These are just regular nuts. You get stainless hardware from your hardware store. And I'm going to throw washers on these just to help prevent the carbon from cracking, especially because I enlarged the holes a little bit. Okay. We'll leave that one off. So it kind of goes up in the top here first, and then you'll see and it'll just kind of glide into place. There you go. Just like that. Push this in and down. Perfect. And tighten the hardware. And you're obviously not going to torque this very much. It's carbon fiber. You don't want to crack it. And plus, honestly, this tape is really supposed to hold it in place. Just going to use a screwdriver to secure this. And like I said, you're not going nuts. Just basically, I don't know what the torque specs are. I'm not even going to bother. Because it's not plastic. So they're going to be even lighter, I would imagine, with the carbon. But whatever. Just use your judgment. Don't go too crazy. Snug. It's not going anywhere. And then I just have this last bolt up here. And for that, I got new hardware as well, black. So all that's left is rinse and repeat on the other side. And then polish it up, because it's been sitting in my basement. It's looking pretty dingy. So that's it. 2 bolts, 1 at the bottom, and then the tape overlapping. Nice and easy. And there you go, quick, easy, painless. Probably took longer for me to record this video than to actually do the work needed to install these. I think they look awesome. Leave it up to you if you think it's worth the $300 whatever dollars they cost. I got these actually off of somebody on the Lotus forum that they were return or warranty replacement. But I think it was definitely worth it. Now the only thing that's kind of sticking out like a sore thumb is the mirrors. I know some people complain about the mirrors, so maybe I'll get some carbon caps for those, and that'll kind of complete the look. Oh, and yeah, I have to get my front end on as well. So anyway, if you like this, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.